Greetings everyone. In this lecture, I will show you how to detect if a particular set of characters is present in a string. Python 7. All right. So, first of all, let's say my string is periodic. Now, let's see ERI. If I search for ERI, this is in this periodic word. So, let's say print ERI in string. So this is supposed to return us true because ERI is present in the string periodic. So let's see what's the result. True. All right. Now let's see some more. Let's say RIOD. RIOD in string. So it's returning true again. Now let's say if we include something unrelated or something which is not present here in sequence, let's say EID. EID is not present in sequence in this. So let's say or EIDC. So it will return false. Let's see. That's what it does. So that was all for this lecture. I hope you learned how to detect a particular string present in a greater string. So that was all for this lecture. Thank you for watching.